Democratic vice presidential nominee Kamala Harris said Amy Coney Barrett should absolutely not be questioned about her religious beliefs during confirmation hearings for the lifetime appointment to the Supreme Court. One's faith should never be the basis of supporting or rejecting a nominee, Harris told KPNX TV in Phoenix on Thursday. But any questions that are about bias, any questions that are about perspective, are adhering to jurisprudence and precedent, of course, the senator from California said. Barrett, a federal appellate judge, these words, and former law clerk of conservative Justice Antonin Scalia, whose death created the vacancy that the GOP-led Senate wouldn't allow Democratic President Barack Obama to fill in 2016, has been questioned about her religious beliefs numerous times. She has faced attacks from liberal women's groups and Planned Parenthood, which says she is a threat to women's reproductive rights. The same crap they said about Gorsuch and Kavanaugh. Democrats worry that if she is appointed to the Supreme Court, she will help to roll back abortion rights by voting to overturn Roe v. Wade as well as the Affordable Care Act. So I like what Harris had to say here because she is, if I remember correctly, not, I don't know what her religious background or denomination is, but I do like the fact that she's saying you shouldn't use someone's religion as the basis for their decision making. Even though I've said this before, whether it's a Democratic or a Republican nominee, any person you put on the Supreme Court will, we're all human. Human error. Will have their views influenced by who they are. So if faith figures heavily into their decision making, they're going to make decisions that have to do with their faith. So if they're an atheist, they're probably going to be more inclined to do things that are in favor of it. Whatever. It happens. And it's not something to discriminate against someone's religion over. Because I fully believe, say you will separate church and state, and for the most part, act in that manner. And that's something that Harris was stating here. What I do find funny is that this article, I like how this is Fox, so they're supposed to be the conservative place. They don't mention Gorsuch in being the person who got the seat that Merrick Garland possibly could have gotten had the Senate actually held hearings and voted on the man. They're like, oh yeah, remember that seat that happened when Scalia died? Yeah, we're not going to tell you how that turned out. It was really crazy how much of a non-issue that was. And then the Kavanaugh thing happened and it just exploded in terms of attention. And this is looking to be the same thing. Or it was the big thing until the COVID outbreak. So it's kind of amusing how some stuff that's important gets ignored and some stuff that's not that important gets paid attention to.